Kale has been called the ultimate superfood, but what if I told you there's something even healthier? This tiny, fast-growing microgreen packs more nutrients and is way easier to eat and grow. Stick around because today I'm revealing the microgreen that could be healthier than kale. And at the very end of this video, I'll share the best way to eat this microgreen to get maximum nutrition. You don't want to miss out. Hey, I'm Connor Hebel, the founder of Amelia Island Microgreens. I've been growing microgreens for 13 years and I've been featured in Forbes and Entrepreneur. I've helped thousands of people just like you grow your own nutrient-packed microgreens right at home. If you're ready to upgrade your nutrition, then let's dive in. But before we dive in, let's just go ahead and get a little health disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only, and before you make any changes, be sure to consult with your doctor. So now let's dive in. All right, so before I reveal what's healthier than kale, go ahead and put a comment below. What kind of microgreen do you think is healthier than kale? All right, so I was thinking I was gonna be a little bit funny and just say kale microgreens are healthier than kale, which is true, by the way, because microgreens are 40% more nutrient dense than your mature vegetables. So microgreen kale is healthier than kale. But since that's a little straightforward, and in second place, we have broccoli microgreens. They are higher in sulforaphane, a powerful compound that supports detoxification and has been shown to aid in cancer prevention and reduce inflammation. Broccoli microgreens have more vitamins and minerals. They're packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate in higher amounts than mature kale. And better absorption. Nutrients in microgreens are easier for your body to absorb compared to full-grown kale. And super cool, they're easier to eat. There's no need to massage or cook the microgreens. Just add them to your smoothies, salads, or sandwiches. And the cool thing about a smoothie, you're not even gonna taste it. It's kind of like, remember how people would hide in some spinach into the smoothie because you don't really taste it? Well, in microgreens, you don't need to add as much into your smoothie for it to make an impact, and you don't even taste it at all. There's so many ways to eat microgreens, which we'll cover later on in this video. All right, have you ever tried eating broccoli microgreens? Comment yes or no down below. And if you love learning about powerful superfoods, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And remember, I'll be sharing the best way to eat broccoli microgreens at the end so you get all those benefits. And while I'm talking about amazing benefits, I've been growing microgreens for 13 years, and recently I created a Microgreen Masterclass to inspire all of you to grow your own microgreens in just 7 days. If you're ready to go from microgreen beginner to microgreen grower, click the link below or go to AmeliaIslandMicrogreens.com/101 for a free microgreen masterclass using my 13 years of microgreen growing knowledge. You don't want to miss it. It is so much fun. All right, so now let's talk about the health benefits of broccoli microgreens. And first of all, like we were talking about earlier, they detoxify the body. They contain sulforaphane, which flushes toxins out of your liver and cells. And studies have shown that it reduces cancer risk and protects against oxidative stress. One thing that's really cool to know about your brassica family, which is your broccolis, your kales, mustards, your leafy green vegetables, is that in the microgreen stage, you have 10 to 100 times more sulforaphanes than your mature vegetables. In fact, Dr. Berg talks about this. It's so incredible. All right, so then the second thing, it can boost immunity. Microgreens are high in vitamin C, even more than full-grown broccoli. They support gut health and immune function. And number 3, it can reduce inflammation and support heart health. Sulforaphane and antioxidants have been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol and reduce risk of heart disease and diabetes. And number 4, they support digestion and gut health. Microgreens are rich in fiber and enzymes that support digestion and gut bacteria. And if you've learned anything about our gut biome, it is so important to have a healthy gut biome with good gut bacteria. And it is easier to digest than kale. No bloating or rough texture or just that bad taste. This is so much easier to add into meals without having to change the flavor or make it so that other people who don't really like kale are gonna be able to eat kale. This is just so much easier in my opinion. Do you wanna grow your own fresh broccoli microgreens at home so you never run out? Join my free Microgreen Masterclass at ameliaislandmicrogreens.com/101, and I'll show you how to grow them yourself in just 7 days. It's so easy and it's so much fun. I look forward to seeing you there. All right, here's the best way to eat broccoli microgreens for maximum nutrition. Blend them into a smoothie with a little lemon juice. The vitamin C in the lemon activates the sulforaphanes in the microgreens, making them even more powerful to your body. So now that you know how powerful broccoli microgreens are, go ahead and comment below. What's your favorite microgreen so far? And don't forget to join my Microgreen Masterclass at ameliaislandmicrogreens.com/101 to start growing your own today. As always, stay awesome and see you in my next video.